Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these moth and quartz earrings. So we're going to start by attaching the two moths together, and we're going to do this using a 4mm jump ring. So we're just going to find where it opens. I'm going to put pliers on one side, pliers on the other side, and gently twist open. I'm going to grab these moths and put them together and attach one side. And put our pliers there and gently put back together. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Find where it opens, put our pliers on one side, on the other side, and just twist open. Put our moth wings through there, and then close them back up. And then for the bottom, we're going to add the quartz using a jump ring. So we're going to find where that opens. Put pliers on either side and twist open. Put the quartz on there. We're going to gently twist them back together. And then we're going to take the ear wire. And on the bottom, it's open. So you're just going to put your pliers there and twist that open. Add the moth on there. And twist it back into place. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.